En mor mara jahera mar RAMOGI TV nimedokete mane RAMOGI TV machiegni weche manyien mag Migago ka warwaki mondi orna ote machuok ewi gino miparo kuom weche manyien ma kawuono ni kitiyo gi namba marwa mar ote machuok ma en 33600. Kapok wachako wawinjane thuond weche. Ngire Paul Wainaina odwokie tich kaka Vice Chancellor mar mbalariany ma Kenyatta. Duol makedo gi mibadhi e pachoka EACC ochiwo Samath ne Cyrus Jirongo kod David Murathe mondo chopie mbelegi. Jalup jatend piny Kenya Rigathi Gachagua kanyakla kod jatend Migago mar pur Mithika Linturi oyawayanga show ma Mombasa. Machiegni nyinga Milton Ochieng manen gavana ma kaunti ma Kisii James Ongwae gi jalup jakom duond bura mar ODM Janet Ongera jogwetao kaka jokanyo mag duond bura mar ODM giwacho ni ODM noketo thenge anyuola mar Abagusi e kinde yiero mokalo kata kamano ok gilero duond bura magidhiye.
We as members of the Orange Democratic Movement, in particular myself, James Ongwae, former Governor Kisii County, and Janet Ongera, Deputy Party Chairperson of ODM, have today decided conscientiously to resign from the ODM party with immediate effect. It has been an honor serving in ODM. We regret nothing, but we move to the next phase with a clear mind on how better as a country we can manage our political affairs before and after elections. We have today arrived at this decision having carefully taken stock of the activities preceding the last general election, and more so the ill manner in which the party treated us and our supporters through political patronage by individuals who never had the interest of our community, especially the Gusii community at heart.
I don't regret having been in ODM. We have grown in it, but it's now time for us to exit. And I resign as the Deputy National Chairperson and also as a member of ODM. We feel very sad that our party no longer meets the aspirations in which we founded it.
Kapodwani e kaunti ma Kisii eni gavana ma Kisii Simba Arati obagoromo kod chife kanyakla kod MCS ma kaunti no twake wiketo dongruok e kaunti no. Wawinjane weche madhi nyime e kaunti ma Kisii gi e thuoloni.
Kwamba mnajenga gorofa mtuambie, tuambie kwamba pesa inatosha. Mkiamua kujenga daraja mtuambie. Mkiamua kwamba mnataka pesa ya kukula, hakuna pesa ya kukula. Pesa ni ya maendeleo. Cha kusikitisha ni kwamba pesa zote zimeenda katika mishahara. Hivi karibuni mtaona ripoti ambayo itatoka katika Auditor General ni kwamba pesa zote tumetumia katika mishahara, na tunaangalia vile tutakavyotafuta pesa za kujenga ama kufanya projects ambazo zipo. Shida iliyopo ni kwamba tulipitiza kile kiwango cha 35%. Watu wameandikwa wengi, kwa hivyo pesa zote zinaenda katika mishahara. Na mimi najaribu kupiga msasa serikali hii tuone kama tutapata pesa za kufanya maendeleo kule kijijini. Kazi sio kuandika watu, kazi ni kufanyia wananchi kazi, na hiyo ndio tunafanya. Nashukuru. Hata ninyi tafadhali mkipata nafasi, ambia wananchi kwamba shughuli hizo ziko. Atulipi mtu kuja mkutanoni. Hii sio mkutano wa kisiasa. Najua watu walikuwa wanapenda kuja kwa mikutano ile. Hii ni muhimu kuliko mikutano ile tulikuwa tunafanya, kwa sababu hii itauzisha watu wote kutoka mashinani tufanye kazi. Asanteni, Mungu awabariki. Unless kama kuna mtu akona swali. Ekagusi. Ntakete ntebe abantu aminto.
Jalup jatend piny Kenya Rigathi Gachagua kod jatend Migago mar pur Mithika Linturi kawuono noyawayanga show mar Mombasa. Jopur kaachiel kod johala mopogore opogore ne jowuok oko manyiso kit lony to kod mwandu magin godo. To kaluwore gi oro kod kech masani okwako gwenge mathoth e pachoka, jolony mag pur koni nitiere yore mopogore minyalo ti godo mar temo gayo wach mar kech e thuolo mabiro. Jafwambo marwa Joja Oko ne oyuoro nyisruok matimore alap ma Mkomani e kachung'od bura ma Nyali Mombasa, kendo mae kaka weche chalo.
En nyisruok mane ochakore ayanga e alap ma Mkomani Mombasa, kuma jopur, jopith kaachiel kod johala ne oyuore. Ma en bang' rem ma ok gitimo nyasino e thuolo mar higni 2 mosekalo nikech tuo mar korona. E nyisruok ma higani, jolony mag pur koni kaluwore gi wach oro to kod kech mokwako gwenge mathoth e pacho ka, ma en thuolo maber mar jo-Kenya puonjore lony manyasani mag pur to kod tiyo gi kothe mowinjore to chutho e kuonde ma oro osaso.
Hata ukitazamia tunapotembea tuna zile tunaita drought tolerant crops. Ukiangalia sana mahali ambao ni pa ukame sana, mvua haiji kwa muda mrefu, itakuja kwa muda mfupi. Kwa hivyo utapata kwamba wanateknolojia wetu wameweza kutoa mimea ambayo itaweza kukua kwa hiyo miezi mifupi, ili kuweza bado mtu atavuna hata kama mvua ilipotea.
Midhiero moko ne nitiere en thoth jogo manie gwenge ma oro saso gin jopith mag jamni, omiyo loko pachgi mondo mi gidonji e chenro mag pur samoro bedo matek.
Na yenyewe tumeona wachache sana wameanza kuwa wakulima. Kwa hivyo hiyo yawezekana kwa kuwaonyesha, bora wawe tayari kusema okay, niko tayari kubadilisha njia zangu za badala nitegemee tu mifugo labda, na za pia kupanda mimea. Na hiyo mimea pia ipo ya ambayo tunaweza kujaribu huko mahali kuna ukame.
Kopogore gi wach pur, moko kuom jopith mag gwen koni gigeto koth gwen mawuok e pinje maoko, mathothgi ipidho mana kama ridadi ma ok mag chiemo.
These are ornamental birds and they attract like the eyes. Somebody, it's a unique breed that you can't find anywhere in Kenya, maybe the pure breed ones.
Okoni en ohala maber kendo jonyiewo thoth maloyo jopith.
Wale weupe mmoja ni between 30 to 40k kwa mmoja, alafu hawa colored ni 20k, ndio bei chini. Wateja wanapatikana sana, ila sasa uzalishaji ndio mimi kwa vile niko na wachache sasa, ndio inabidi ni watu wafanye booking, alafu polepole niwe tazitoa, manake saa nyingine kwa wiki naweza pata faranga kama 6 tu.
To ne japith Hadija Sharif mawuok e kaunti ma Kilifi, en ogeto winy mathoth gi yudore e bunge kaka mano midendo ni ostrich kaachiel kod peacock ma welo matimo limbe dhi neno.
Mae ohala maber makipidho nyithindo, wayudo oda mang'eny. Sani ayudo oda mar nyithindo, by December ang'abet gi nyithindo mang'eny, koro wayudo ga oda mar nyithindo. Mae en ohala makichako timo, okay, en ohala maber.
Ostrich en winyo mong'ere ni mar bungu, kata kamano nitiere johala masani pidhogi makoni ohandgi ber malich mokalo.
Kaka mekagi ok mar mstuni, mekagi apidho domesticated. Challenges en mag tuoche, lakini kita puodho maler, chiemo maler, pi maler, gionge shida. Ng'ata manyalo bet interested mar keto wanyama gi, auso negi, bora gibeta gi permit mar KWS, ema anyalo uso ne ng'ato.
Ostrich maduong' okoni nyalo bedo kod pek mar kilo 300 kod bor mayombo wi bas.
Bechgi mae uso 120,000, lakini maduong' auso 150 nyaka 200,000. Ang'iso jolo mang'eny, kwanza mon donjuro e ohalani ber, olo kata mar gwen. Uketo magi to uloso kaka agombo mondo ter korwa kucho Kisumu kucho. Ang'iso mon go te mondo odonje ohalani ber.
George Aoko, Ramogi TV, Mombasa.
Wadok e kaunti ma Kisii kama Crispin Otieno keto waelere wigino madhi nyime kaka nwawacho ni motelo ni gavana ma Kisii Simba Arati network gi ruodhi kaachiel kod MCS Makono e wicheno mag dongruok. Crispin Otieno kapo ni winja e kaunti ma Kisii keto waeler e wigino madhi nyime gi e thuoloni.
Awinje yo makare Milton antiere kar tiegruok mag derepe kaunti ma Kisii mong'ere kaka Kibit, kama odiochieng' ma kawuono gavana ma kaunti ni ma Kisii Mano Simba Arati kaachiel kod county commissioner ma kaunti ma Kisii bende miluongo ni Alan Mashari otimo romo kod ruodhi duto ma kaunti ma Kisii, MCS bende ma kaunti ni kaachiel kod jokanyo ma kaunti duto te e yore kaka ginyalo pango dongruok ma kaunti ni ma Kisii. Mahao ruodhi 400 ochopo kar tiegruok ni ma Kibit kaachiel kod MCS ma wuok e kaunti ni te mano MCS maromo 60 kod beach ochopo kar tiegruok ni mondo mi gilalre kaluwore kod kaka jotelo nyalo tiyo e yo makare mano koting'o sirikal ma county kaachiel kod sirikal mamalo motelnegi kod commissioner ma county ni ma Kisii. Omiyo romono ochakore kar saa 3 okinyi kendo orumo mana dakika machuok mokalo kane gitwa kod jofwambo dakika machuok mokalo. Gavana ma county ni mano Simbarati wacho ni gin kaka jotelo ma county ni gidhi tiyo kanyakla kaachiel kod jotelo duto te county ni mondo mi japiny mantiere kuonde mopogore opogore oyud dongruok mana kaka ne gisingo negi e kinde mane gitimo campaigns magi. Kata kamano wawinjo bende ka commissioner ma county ni mano Alan Mashari ka noloso kodwa ka wacho ni gin be kaka sirikal mamalo gidhi neno ni gitiyo machiegni kod sirikal mar county motelne kod Gavana Arati mondo mi gine ni gigo duto ma wuok e sirikal mamalo okete ayanga ne jotelo mag county ma Kisii mondo mi jopiny oyud dongruok makare ni mar sirikal ariyogo gin sirikal ariyogo mana ma oketi mondo mi okony jopiny e weche mopogore opogore ahinya to mar neno ni dongruok ochopo ne japiny modak e vijijini. Mane kaka giloso omiyo ang'ne lerne jowinjo kata joneno wa report makare omigi report makare kaluwore kod twak mobedo okinde jotelo kaachiel kod ruodhi duto e kaunti ma Kisii, kendo wabiro winjo nyaka pach ruodhi mane nitiere e romono kaachiel kod MCAs giwacho ang'o kaluwore kod romo motimore odiochieng' ma kawuono.
Erokamano ahinya Crispin Otieno kuom ripot ma jaber ma kamano kowuok e kaunti ma Kisii. Wadhi e kaunti ma Homa Bay. Aput motelo ne chenro mar timo nonro e wi somo mar CBC kawuono go tach e kaunti ma Homa Bay e chenro mar kawo pach jopiny. Chenro no timore e skund secondary ma Homa Bay High School. Watudore kod Ali Abich maketowa e ler e wi mago madhi nyime.
Kamano Milton, mana kaka wacho no endo chenro mar kawo pach jopiny ma sani koro itimo kod aput mano chwe kod jatend piny mang'iyo gigo eko monego bed ni timo e konyo bero sekta konyo bero lai mar somo mar CBC dhi nyime e skunde yawuoyi ma Homa Bay kaendi, kendo chenro ma kamano ochakore saa 4 okinyi ka nyaka sani endi jokanyo mopogore kama oting'o jogo eko ma kendo ratiro mag jopuonj, jonyuol kaachiel kod
Mana kamano watimo mos kuom ng'ikruok mobedo kamano, ne watudore gi Ali Abich to kara kamano ok osedhi e yo makare gi e thuolo ni eri. Ka koro gi e thuolo ni wadok e sigana mokwongo. Riwruok mar Azimio One Kenya Alliance timo twak gi jofwambo e magawa ma Serena e weche mamoko mag chenro mag piny owacho. Wawinjane madhi nyime gi e thuolo ni ka jatend ODM ema koro loso gi e thuolo ni.
Our leader. Yes. Yeah. Okay, fine. We shall issue the certificates to the two candidates of Azimio, and thereafter His Excellency Raila Odinga will be issuing a statement on behalf of the coalition. Thank you. Honorable Dirie, please.
This is the nomination certificate for Honorable Wamunyinyi, aspirant senator for Bungoma County. I'll give to the right honorable Wamunyinyi. Please forward. Come forward. On Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition Party. He will be the flag bearer for the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition Party for Bungoma Senator. Yeah. There's also Utawala Ward. Mr. Patrick Karani will be flying the flag of Azimio la Umoja. Come forward. Okay. Okay, just a minute.
Was it supposed to have been last?
And then Utawala Ward, Mr. Patrick Karani. Please come forward. He will also be flying the flag for Azimio la Umoja, One Kenya Coalition Party. He will be the candidate for Utawala Ward, MCA. Asanteni.
This is working?
Yes, it's on.
Huh?
It's on.
It's on, eh? It will be picked by the media. And today I'm seeing no ladies here again.
Why are they so far away?
It's an all-male media team. It shows that media is not gender sensitive. Okay. Oh, she's on the periphery. She's not in mainstream. So now, ladies and gentlemen, we have convened you here today to make some announcements on at least 3 issues which we consider critical to the nation. First, as you have seen, we wanted to let the country know that as a party, Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition Party will be fielding a candidate in the Bungoma senatorial by-elections scheduled for 8th December this year. Our candidate in that contest will be Honorable Wafula Wamunyinyi. Honorable Wafula Wamunyinyi has what it takes to win the Bungoma seat, and more importantly, he has a record of speaking out for the people of Kenya. Given the scenario unfolding in the country, and emerging a one-man regime that is quickly turning its back on the Kenyans and their problems, the country will need seasoned fighters in all critical places. For Bungoma Senate, Honorable Wamunyinyi is our ideal person, and we are pleased to unveil him here and promise him full support of the party in the contest. Secondly, we are here to make our position clear on some of the pronouncements the Uda regime has made in recent days. We are particularly concerned about the regime's plans to inflict more tax burden on Kenyans to finance some of the outlandish and unrealistic promises they made. We are also concerned about the so-called probe into extrajudicial executions, which is turning into a witch hunt against the former DCI boss, Mr. George Kinoti, and some few police officers. Let's be clear on the so-called extrajudicial executions. As a party, we believe in the sanctity of life of every Kenyan. As we have said time and again, we believe in the rule of law. We believe in the due process. Naturally, therefore, we are opposed to extrajudicial executions in our country because our supporters have been the greatest victims over the years. We believe that all, not some, cases of real or suspected extrajudicial executions need to be investigated and those responsible punished. We are, however, firmly opposed to the current trend directed by a vindictive regime that the president that seems to be pursuing a personal vendetta against specific current and past state officers in the pretext of pursuing extrajudicial executions. 7. One of William Ruto's grudge against George Kinoti and the DCI started way before the elections. Ruto appears to believe that the coming of the DCI of the UDI regime is a perfect mandate for him to punish the officers he long had a grudge against. We are here to say no. We oppose that attempt to sacrifice state officers who, in the line of duty, may have rubbed politicians the wrong way and who are now being selectively punished for having done their job. Ruto seems to be looking for some Indians whom he lost in the middle of the August elections. Those Indians were human beings. They deserve to live, and we continue to pray for their families and hope that they be found alive and that justice shall be done in their case. But we believe the Indians are not the first to disappear, and they will most certainly not be the last if their past is anything to go by. So, as Mr. Ruto mounts a search for the Indians, wherever and whatever they were to him, we want an equally vigorous search to establish the truth behind their disappearance and death of tens of Kenyans, including the following: Sergeant Kipyegon Kenei, the administration police officer, went missing just when he was supposed to accompany his colleagues to the Directorate of Criminal Investigations to record a statement in the 39.5 billion shillings fake arms probe that involved the office of the Deputy President when Ruto was serving in that capacity. B. Mr. Christopher Koech, who taught at Kaunga Primary School in Mumias, who was later found lying on the side of a road near Shibuli Market with foam in his mouth and was sweating profusely. He was linked to the ICC case. At one time, he was under witness protection and even sought refuge in a neighboring country. Mr. Koech was to travel to The Hague to testify in lawyer Paul Gicheru's ICC case. Meshak Yebei, whose mutilated body was found in Savo National Park, some 600 miles or kilometers from the Eldoret where he had disappeared. He too was linked to the ICC cases. D. Journalist John Kitui was allegedly killed for his reporting on the death of a witness in the ICC proceedings. E. Journalist Walter Osapiri Baraza and Philip Kipkoech Bet, alias Kipsengera, Ngeria, both wanted by the Hague-based International Criminal Court for interfering with witnesses. Their whereabouts remain unknown to date. F. ICC witnesses like John Kangede disappeared in 2008. George Dhuo died in 2013. Bernard Kimeli died in 2011. Charles Ndungu Wagacha, Naftali Irungu, Anthony Mwenje, Joroge Gichere, Timothy Mburu Gatira, Njuguna Gitao Njuguna, among other ICC witnesses who disappeared and later died under mysterious circumstances. G. Then there is the lawyer Paul Ndungu, the last of the ICC witnesses who died last September, probably driving the final nail in the coffin of the ICC case. H. Finally, there is Ms. Chris Musando, the IBC IT manager, who was tortured and murdered days to the 2017 election. I cannot finish without mentioning my late friend, Jacob Juma, who was found shot dead in Ngong Highway, and whose to date his death has not been properly concluded. Jacob Juma, before he was killed, had stated those who wanted him dead. 11. As a party, we demand an immediate end to the selective and vindictive process Root was embarked on with regard to disappearances and extrajudicial executions. Instead, we demand a transparent, professional, and inclusive public inquest to assist the country and families determine the fate or whereabouts of members who disappeared or died under unclear circumstances, including the ICC witnesses and election officials. 12. Finally, the issue of raising of taxes. Despite the campaigns, both Azimio and Kenya Kwanza made promises to Kenyans. During the campaigns, both Azimio and Kenya Kwanza made promises to Kenyans. On our part, we made it clear that they would realize the promises we made without increasing tax burden on Kenyans. It remains our position that Kenyans cannot afford and should not be asked to pay extra taxes for the UDA regime to realize the outlandish and unrealistic promises it is pursuing. We wish to remind the UDA regime that we have been here before. When NAC took over power in 2003, the economy was worse off than what UDA has inherited from Jubilee. But we were able to put the country back on track, including free primary education, without raising taxes. The Grand Coalition government picked up from the ashes of post-election violence and rebuild the economy, including massive infrastructure, without raising taxes. UDA must immediately shelve any thoughts of raising taxes on suffering Kenyans. Instead, UDA must improve revenue collection at all collection points like airports, customs points, registration of persons, VAT, and so on. It must stop diversion of revenue, reform institutions like the KRA, NSSF, NHIF, and government procurement. Deducting more money from workers and throwing it at the corrupt and mismanaged institutions like the NSSF and the NHIF won't solve any problem. Above all, the government must fight and be seen to be fighting corruption. Those measures will be sufficient to raise money to finance the country without raising taxes. We will resist any attempt by the government to unilaterally raise taxes to finance corruption. End of statement.
Thank you. Nataka Kiswahili.
Kwanza, umeona hapa tuko hapa kama viongozi wa Azimio la Umoja One Kenya. Umeona hapa Mheshimiwa Kalonzo Musyoka, Mheshimiwa Martha Karua na washingiwa wengine. Tuko hapa na Mheshimiwa Eugene Wamalwa ambaye kwa mara ya kwanza anashiriki katika mikutano yetu kama mwanachama, ametoka kwa serikali sasa. Sasa karibu katika kiwanja ya upinzani. Vile vile mmeona Mheshimiwa Junet Mohamed hapa, Dr. Mukisa Kitui na wabunge wengi tuko nao hapa pamoja na minority leader in the National Assembly, Honorable Pia Wandai. Tuko hapa kwanza kupeana certificate kwa Mheshimiwa Wafula wa Munyinyi kama mgombea kiti cha useneta wa kaunti la Bungoma. Yeye ndiye atabeba bendera ya Azimio katika hiyo by election ambayo inakuja kule Bungoma. Sisi najua nyinyi nyote mnajua Mheshimiwa wa Munyinyi amekuwa mwanabunge kwa miaka mirefu zaidi, mbunge wa Kandui constituency kule Bungoma, na uwezo wake na kila kitu inajulikana. Tuna hakika ya kwamba Mheshimiwa Wafula wa Munyinyi atabeba bendera ya Azimio vizuri katika hiyo kinyang'anyiro ya kiti cha Bungoma. Tunamtakia kila laheri. Pili, tumeongea juu ya mambo ya maafa ile uuaji kinyama ya Wakenya. Tumesema tunajua ati kuna wale Wahindi ambaye inasemekana walishikwa na baadaye wakatoweka na wajaonekana mpaka waleo. Ile kitu ambayo walikuwa wanafanya hapa hakuna mtu anajua ijapokuwa wale ambao waliwaleta hapa. Lakini tumesema wao ni binadamu kama wanadamu wengine, na sisi tutatetea haki yao ya maisha. Na sisi tungependa uchunguzi yote ifanyike ili ijulikane wako wapi, ikiwa kama hayuko ni nani ambayo aliwachukua. Lakini vile vile tumesema hatutaki kusema ati uchunguzi naishia hapo. Tumelaani vikali yale ambayo yanaendelea wakati huu ya kulenga mtu mmoja ambaye alikuwa ni DCI bwana Kinoti, ambaye sasa lawama yote inalenga kwake. Hata DPP ambaye yeye mwenyewe ndiye alikuwa kila mara anakataa kushtaki watu ati hakuna ushahidi ya kutosha. Sasa kujitokeza na kusema yanalaumu watu DCI. Na DCI hajapewa nafasi ya kujibu. Tunaona kama yale yote ambayo yanafanyika wakati huu ni kama ile kangaroo. Hakuna ukweli wowote ndani yake. Tumesema kuna Wakenya wengi ambayo wamepotea, wengine wameuawa kinyama mpaka wakati huu. Wale ambayo wengine walikuwa wametekwa nyara, wengine mmoja alitekwa nyara kule Eldoret, mwili yake ikapatikana huko upande wa Savo. Na wengine yote mimi tumeyataja ndani ya hiyo statement. Tumesema tunataka uchunguzi ifanyike, ijulikane ni akina nani walihusika. Tumangoja wale watu kama Jacob Juma ambaye alipigwa kinyama akawawa hapo katika barabara ya Ngong. Tumeongea vile vile juu ya bwana Msando ambaye alikuwa anafanya kazi kwa tume ya uchaguzi, akatekwa nyara, akaenda akaulewa kinyama na mwili yake kapatikana kule, hata mikono yake imekuwa imekatwa. Tumesema tunataka uchunguzi ingie katika mambo haya yote, na vile tunaona wakati huu hatuna ile shirika ambayo inaweza kufanya kazi hii, ambayo itaweza kufanya kazi ya wastani. Inatakikana tutafute watu wengine ambao labda wametoka nje, wajiingize kwa mambo kama haya, vile marehemu Nyayo alifanya, alileta Scotland Yard hapa kuchunguza kifo ya bwana Robert Ouko. Hiyo ndio itaridhisha Wakenya. Yale ambayo yanafanyika wakati huu ni sarakasi. Hakuna ukweli yote ambayo itatokea na yale mambo ambayo yanafanyika wakati huu. Mwisho tumeongea juu ya mambo ya ongezeko ya ushuru kwa Wakenya. Wakati huu Wakenya tayari wanabeba mzigo mzito zaidi ya uhuru. Hali ya uchumi ni mbaya. Mbaya sana, wengine hata kuweka ugali kwa meza kwa watoto hawawezi. Sangine watoto wanalala na njaa. Pande nyingine kuna bala njaa ambaye imekumba watu kila mahali, ukame imezidi. Wakenya wengine wanakufa, ukienda kule Turkana, kule Mandera, kule Garissa, Wajir, kule upande ya Marsabit, Isiolo, hapa Narok, Kajiado na kadhalika. Wakenya wanalala na njaa, watoto wanakufa, mifugo zinakufa kila mahali. Hii ndio sio, na wale ambao wanaishi katika miji, vitongoji duni, wengi wanapata shida kubwa zaidi upande ya Kibera, Nairobi hapa, Mkuru kwa Njenga, pande ya Mathare, kila mahali Nairobi hii watu wanasikia mbaya zaidi. Kwa hiyo kuzidisha hiyo mzigo juu wa Kenya haifai. Kusema Wakenya wamechoka. Punda imechoka na mzigo. Hatutaki kukubali wengine wazidishe hiyo mzigo juu kwa Wakenya. Tumewaambia kwamba kuna njia mingi sana ya kuua paka. Sio lazima uhuru ongezeke. Sisi kama tulipokuwa katika NAK, tulipochukua utawala mwaka wa 2013, tulipata uchumi ambao ilikuwa imeathirika kuliko wakati huu. Wakati huu tulikuwa tumetoa ahadi kwa Wakenya kwamba tutaanzisha elimu ya bure ya shule ya msingi kwa Wakenya wote. Na tukaitimiza hiyo ahadi, lakini hatukuongeza ushuru. Tulitumia mbinu ambayo sisi kama Azimio, kama tungeunda serikali tungetumia. Hao jamaa walikuwa wanatoa ahadi, lakini walikuwa hajui vile watatekeleza hiyo ahadi. Sisi tulikuwa tumetoa ahadi, tukiingia tutasaidia wale maskini ambao hawana mapato shilingi 6,000 kila mwezi. Tulikuwa tunajua hiyo pesa itatoka wapi. Tusiongea juu ya mambo ya elimu ya bure ya Wakenya, tulijua hiyo pesa ingetoka wapi. Hatungeongeza mzigo juu ya Wakenya. Kwa hivyo nyinyi wana Kenya kwisha au Kenya kwanza, timizeni ahadi zenu. Nyinyi mlitoa ahadi kwa Wakenya, wengine mlisema mtatimiza baada ya kuweka Biblia chini kuapishwa, wengine ilikuwa ifanyike ndani ya mwezi moja, wengine baada ya siku 100. Mambo kama kupunguza bei ya unga kutoka 200 hadi 70, kupunguza bei ya mafuta ndani ya mwezi moja na kadhalika. Ahadi ni deni. Tumesema punguzeni ahadi bila kuleta mzigo zaidi kwa Wakenya. Asanteni sana.
Manone ogai mar Azimio One Kenya Raila Amolo Odinga kamotelo ne manone gichiwo certificate madhi Rakom Senate ma Bungoma manodong' thuolo to ka Moses Wetangula nodhi Rakom Speaker mar od bura mamalo, kama bende giyiero migosi Wafula Wamunyinyi madhi fwadho bandera mar Azimio One Kenya Alliance. Gie kinde ni nyakwara Mogi wachope giko mar weche manyien mag Migago. Wabro tudore kendo saa 10 e weche manyien mag kagi kacha. Bang' thuolo machuok ahinya wakelo ni weche mag tuke to mago motudore go kombe mar piny mangima. Nyinga Milton Ochieng' Awuor, bed godiochieng' mokwe.
Keto chiemo mamit kendo molos manyangafu en mor mar miyo mora mora.
An kaka miyo awinjo mor e chunya ka jogena chamo chiemo maloso negi.
Mogo manyien mar mokwa en mogo molos kod bando mathurwa kae. Bando mopuodhi kendo mamit.
Siri mar rito jogi gi mor en tedo negi gi mogo mar mokwa.
Mokwa en marwa ma Homa Bay kae. Bende e kama olose oyudore e dukni machiegni kodi.
Mokwa ng'inore kendo ng'wenyore.
Mokwa ng'inore kendo ng'wenyore.
Jamaa unaweza kupata wimbo wetu unaweza kama sikiza tuni yako.
Unahitaji tu kubonyeza *811
*415#. Kumbuka sikiza na Citizen
ni nyumbani kwa wasanii wote.
Bless.
Collect fare kwa boda au matatu ukitumia ViewPay cashless na uqualify for bima ya 100,000 shillings pamoja na medical cover ya 20k na permanent disability cover ya 100k kwa 5 bob pekee. Dial *236# today to start using ViewPay cashless.
Halo. Tabatali wait ako abi. Leta wacha mambo mingi tafadhali kwa unyenyekevu. Mara bilau, mara managu, fanya hivi. Leta kama yeye tafadhali. Leta hiyo itakuwa inanifurahisha katika maisha yangu yote kwa sababu managu, mara unasema bilau, mara sijui chibis. Hiyo yote hainisaidii katika maisha yangu. Leta kama yeye. Asante sana na Mungu awabariki.
Dial *811 *401# to get leta kama yeye.
Luasi marohala osebedo kalokore. Keto mwandu bende osekao yore manyasani. To ginang'o manyaki ng'e kapok ichako hala? Kuonde mage minyalo kete mwandu. Ramogi TV biro yango ni kit ohala, kaka itimogi, kachiel kod yore mag keto mwandu. To ok mana mano kende nyakoro mga juang, bende wabiro twak kod yawuoto nagi kod nyonagi, matimo hala, maweg kembe, kachiel kod mago man kod lony e keto mwandu. Mana e chenro mar ohala gi mwandu e Ramogi TV kod an Lydia Okeyo.
Namringo tonge dereba. Gweno onge lembe kipado lembe to dongi pado mana.
Yawa. Tugo manika.
Kata indung jaodi chweto poka uwe.
Mor kod nyiero manika.
Magaldem kama mashori. Choke.
Abito. Gwenyruok mag weche manika.
My friend, I'm not your Kanusi.
Jatelo, ripota chiegni kelo ni.
To nitie nyarkochia.
Apenyi, why are you meandering in the compound?
Miyo maseto mor.
Okabil ga gigo, ano jaka nesa.
Kendo ni kod chia.
Oka luongo ji.
Mae kik bai. Nyarkochia. Saa 1:45 mar otieno, Tich Abich, mana e Ramogi TV. Wuond kod andhoga timore pile ka pile, to joma onge ketho ema hinyore ahinya.
Apo mi ywak malitin.
Kata kamano, hera pod riore kendo medo lo.
Aheri ahinya to.
Ka joma moko geng'o joma giero kuom yudo rem.
Ang'o momiyo itimo kamae? Wan wasetimo ni ang'o?
Hera mar anyuola medo mana loyo.
Watekae wan anyuola achiel.
Thapki, wuok tich nyaka ngeso, saa 2:15 mar otieno, mana e Ramogi TV.
3, 2, 1.
Ngeso ka ngeso chakre saa 3 okinyi en seche mag
Why you do it to me? mamuro nyithindo kaka talanta
tuko full time kimaso
sitendawili kodalunga
Wasase. To chenro ok nyal bedo chenro ka onge
sigana
ganwa sigani mamishna
chogik moko kod tedo
Turu kodwa ngeso ka wangi
Lox Ponde kata Lox P
Josephine Achieng kata Josephine Jos
kod Ansali Kosgeo Odhiambo kata Kihero Sally the Queen.
Wanero ngeso.
It's time for the greatest football stage in the world. Hapa Shabiki.com tunakuletea the Qatar